All right, folks, so these are my air scrubbers. Got one for upstairs and downstairs. I actually think it's a one-story house, so we got one for the east side, one for the west side. All right. Nice little mouse trap. I ain't seen one of these. Guess they ride up there and fall in the bucket. See anything up there? Pretty cool, huh? All right, so first thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and get these mounted. Like I say, so I'm gonna install one. Of course, since they don't have a plenum on here, so I have to install this one in the supply. And I think I'm gonna install this one in the return, because as you can see, it has an arrow. So this can be installed in the return or the supply, because the arrow is pointing both ways. But looks like it's easy access right here, and I don't really have nowhere to install it on the supply. Really not enough room. I probably could get it right here, but it's kind of tight. So I'll install that one on the return, and we'll be okay with that. All right, so I got a unit bit, cutters, and my knife. So let's do this one first on the supply. All right, so we'll have this mounted right in the, just like that. EPA. So this is no ozone. So those won't leave a smell. All right. Like I say, so we'll just mount that right there. So I'm gonna run to get my transformer real quick. All right, folks. So I got transformers as well. I think these 208 or 230 volts air handlers. Actually 115. I'm sorry about that. I think these 115. And so we'll get some new transformers installed. But let's go ahead and mount this air scrubber. So I'm gonna use a unit bit to create a hole and a self-tapping screw to start the hole. So just go right there in the center. Good to have safety glass on while you're doing this. Have it safe sitting back there. Those metal pieces do get hot. All right. So we just try to cut us a nice circle. to have some good cutters. These cutters here cut like butter. All right. We get our knife and kind of trim that around. There you go. So we'll take our mounting plate. It's supposed to be a sticker, but sometimes don't work out that way, but it's still like an insulation pad. So we'll get some self-tapping screws and just mount this on here. Alright, so that's good and level. There you go. So now we can just take our air scrubber like so. Now I take the 4 mounting screws on my 4 nuts. These are size 1132. I got my 1132. Yeah, 1132. Alright, so we got 1132 with the hollow point. Get that nice and tight. Alright, that's nice and tight there. Oh, don't want no air gaps. Alright, so we got that mounted. Now we come over here to our furnace and get ready to install our transformer. Alright, take that off. like to find a nameplate, verifiable voltage. I think it's 120. Yeah, so we got 115 volts. So let's see the best way to do this. It's all taped up here pretty good here. Hello? Hello? All right, folks, so I think I'm just gonna tap in right here at this box, because they got this door all taped up. So let me find a switch for this. So you just follow this yellow wire here. It's going way over there. All right. So furnace 1 and 2. So I'm just gonna turn both of them off. We'll be installing both of them. So we just take our handy electrical, verify that that is off. If I want to make sure that I label my furnace correctly, this has a number 2 on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn number 2 on and see if that is the correct one. All right, as you can see, number 2 is hot and turn red. So I'm gonna turn that one off. Now we got green. Green means go, good to work on. We can always verify with a meter also. Just go leg to leg. Got 0. That's good ground. Got 0. Alright, so on this one, let's see what we got. Primary, common, white. So we're definitely going to use white. And 120 is black. So on this one, I'll be using so I think I'm just gonna mount this just like this, y'all. All right. Now I sneak right there, use that conduit. Better stick those 2 right down in there. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna hook the white up with the white. I'm gonna hook the black up with the black. Alright, just tighten those back up. nice and clean. So now we can just tuck that back in there. Put our cover back on. All right, so now we got that mounted. These two orange, we're not going to use. Okay, so now I can just mount my transformer securely. Make sure we don't hit anything. Like a good spot right here. There we go. So that's mounted secure. So the orange and the red we're not going to use because that's 208 and 240. So we'll just cap those off. And the green and the red is my 24 volts. So that's what we're going to install right here. So we want to check real fast just to make sure that this is stepping down correctly, so we won't damage our air scrubber. We can go ahead and test that. All right, so I'm gonna turn it on. We should have 24 volts right there. I already see my meter blinking red. As you can see, we got 28 volts. So that's a correct step down. Turn that back off. All right, so now we can just plug it in. Kind of just get what we need. Just plug it in on the side. All right. Now we can just wire nut these. Alright, that's it. When we turn the power back on, the UV light is operated when lit. Let's turn it on. You see from here that it is lit. So that is working properly. So now we'll install the next one in the return. All right. Alright, so we got a air scrubber. Got the wires. And a mounting bracket. Once you install a couple of them, you'll just be on the road. So I know exactly what screws I need out of here. Don't need these. All right. Just going to mount that right there. All right, so we start with a little self-tapper. Go back with the unit bit. Let's go. You want to make sure you have a nice circle. nice and level. I'll put 4 self tappers in here. You can do 6 if you like. Come with 6 screws. Insert our air scrubber. These are 1132 screws. So through 1132 nut driver. That was nice and tight. Air scrubber by Aris with certified space technology. So now we'll try to locate our electrical. These are the thermostat wires. I don't think I want to go in there. They must have went in the back of the unit. Up under the unit or something. So this is green right now. I'm gonna go over there and turn the unit on. All right, so we know that is my unit. I'll turn it back off. Let's see where we hot at. Okay, so this is my cabinet, so they went up under the unit. So I'm just gonna go in maybe one of these. So I'll knock one of these notches out, maybe this one right here. All right. Alright, so I just want to get just enough, uncoil this just enough to make it to my air scrubber, make it to my electrical. Alright, and we're going to put the zip tie back on here. So now I can just go into my air scrubber right here. That'll go right down through there. Alright, folks, you gotta trust your meter. It's not hot. I almost, I don't know what I'm thinking about, but I almost hooked this up to here, and that would have been a disaster. That ain't what I want to do. I want to hook my transformer up right here. Alright. So this, we already verified this is a 108 unit. I'm sorry, 115, 120. So we're going to locate the 115 and 120 on here, which is going to be the white and the black. So the orange and the red we would not be using. So I'm going to cap those off. Cap my orange and red off. I'm going to discard those. Alright, so I'm going to wire nut the white with the white. I use the big wire nuts. There we go. Now I install my black with my black. I like to have this wire here pinch back there. This should. Glad I seen that. That ain't okay. This should go in there like that. That's probably gonna be a short one day. Got that mounted in there. Got my 120 volt hooked up to that. It's secured back there. We can leave these on the outside. I'll probably just put me one mounting screw on there. So we just mount that transformer. Go, it ain't going nowhere. And then this is our 24 volts right there, as you can see. 24 volt secondary is green and red. Alright. So we just hook that up right here. Alright, so this is my 24 volt and my air scrubber. Wire nut those together. Alright, so that's it. So we just put our door back on. Like I say, this wire nutted right into here. And we'll turn it on and it should be blue. There we go. So we have our air scrubber installed. LED still lit up on the board, so we know we don't have any blown fuses. So everybody, thanks for watching. Hey, I booked this customer using Jobber. So if any business owner out there or home service business looking for a good CRM software, try Jobber. Get a 14-day free trial and 20% off your first 6 months. Links will be in the description below. Use my referral link. Get started today. Have your company moving a lot smoother, more efficient. There's a lot of other things you can do. Jobber has some of the best customer service, if not the best customer service in the CRM market game, as you get to talk to live people. So try Jobber. Click on the link in the description below. All right, HVAC people, we out.